Hello, Matthew Jeschke here. I'm a real estate agent in Sahuarita, Arizona, and today we're in Madera Highlands. We're at the Vivaldi, 1,938 square foot, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage model home here in Madera Highlands. Walking in through a covered entry. This is a formal entry to my left where the stairs going up. As I come around the corner here, I think one of these might be a bath. Yes. It's a half bath. I love how they decorate their baths in these homes. In front of this, we have a coat closet. Now this is a model home with the sales office in the garage, so this is being used. Don't you just love the way they decorate these places? I can't help but make mention of that. There's a dining area by the patio slider. Got a breakfast bar on our kitchen island. And granite throughout. One thing that is quite nice is you might think these homes are heavily upgraded, but the truth is, here's our walk-in pantry. The truth is, right now is pretty well what you see is what you get. The builders made this quite a simple decision. There are just a few coloration options to go over. This leads out to the 2-car garage. That's the sales office. We'll spare you the details of seeing them out there working. Love it. So we have a loft space up here. These are fantastic spot to keep guests, kids, to play games, so you can enjoy your formal living space downstairs. Going to the right of the loft here and back of the home, I believe this is our master bedroom. One thing I want to point out here is 2-story homes often afford absolutely phenomenal views in the communities down here. Our little town of Sahuarita is surrounded by mountains. To the east, we have the beautiful Sahuaritas, and to the north, we have the Catalinas, and northeast, we have the Rincons. So we're definitely got some beautiful mountain views here. I love how builders even decorate the closets. There's a water closet here, beautifully vignetted, and we have a well-balanced master closet, as I say, with our coat hangers there. This is one of the spare bedrooms. I love how they put the curtain around that window to make it appear as though it might be a bigger window. Got some Celeste Story windows above the stairway there. Here is our laundry. Second bath. Dual sinks in the second bath. I like how they are really fitting this out nicely. And we have the next bedroom. Faces the front of the home. Generously sized closet. And that, my friends, is the Vivaldi plan.